Hello guys, welcome to another exciting day. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to YJ Digital World. I am your host Deselect. So guys, on today's tutorial video, I'll be walking you through on how to create a digital signature using Photoshop. If this sounds like what you are interested in and you are new to the channel, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell to get notification whenever I upload new content on my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching. So let's dive into this. So over here I created a tab and I searched with the keyword signature on paper, to be precise. I don't have any signature on my PC currently, so I'll have to download a signature that I'll be using for this tutorial purpose. Okay, so you can try that using your own signature on a piece of paper and take a snapshot with your phone or with a camera and open it in Photoshop. So over here I have the Photoshop application opened, so I'll click on open over here and I'll be making use of this signature for this tutorial purpose, to be precise. So over here is the resolution of this image is on 72, so I'll come over here on image to scale up the resolution to about 300 and click on the OK button. So after I'm done with that, the next thing I have to do is to come over here on image and change the mode to grayscale and click on the discard. Okay, so after we are done with that, I'll come over to the image and change the adjustment and apply an adjustment of levels. Precisely, keyboard shortcut is Ctrl L. Okay, so I'll make use of these sliders to make the focus to be on the signature, not the background. Okay, if you notice there's some fuzziness on the background, I need the focus to be on the signature only. So I'll slide down the shadow region like this, adding more depth to the signature like this, and add more highlights like this to take away those fuzziness on the background like this. I think this is okay, so I'll click on the OK button. So after I'm done with this, I'll come over here to select and click on color range. So I'll come over here on the color range. Okay, your mouse pointer changes to a color picker like this or an eyedropper like this. So you left click to sample the background, and after you're done with that, you click on the OK button. You notice your canvas has been selected and the signature has actually been selected. So the next thing you have to do is to double click on the layer to unlock the layer like this, and okay, hit the delete the backspace on your keyboard. Okay, after you're done hitting the backspace, come over here to select and click on deselect. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl D to actually deselect. So after you're done with that, the next thing we have to do is to come over here to image and change the mode to CMYK and click on the OK. So after you're done with that, you can choose to double click on the layer, okay, and come over here, click on color overlay and change the fill color to any color of your choice. Okay, and this will look absolutely nice for your signature. So after you're done with picking your colors, you click on the OK button. Opacity remains on 100 and click on OK. That is for that, guys. So after you're done with this, I can come over here, create a new layer and drag the layer beneath the signature layer, and I can choose to set my fill color to any color of my choice. Okay, after I'm done with that, I hit Alt backspace to fill the new layer. Okay, so after we're done with this, I can choose to right click on this layer and convert it to a smart object. Okay, but notice that some signatures, it all depends on what you use in creating your signature. Okay, it might be a pen, it might be a marker. So in a situation whereby the thickness of the signature is very light, you can increase the boldness by using filter, orders, and all the way to minimal, and scale up the size to something like this. So it is more of an eyeballing situation. So I can set this on 1.0 pixels and I click on the OK button. Okay, so after you're done with this, you can choose to make use of this signature for any other use. Okay, you can still choose to change the color by double clicking on it, and changing the color using this, okay, to any color of your choice, maybe black, and I click on the OK. It's actually looking nice. Okay, so after I'm done with this, I might choose to export this signature for digital use. Okay, so I'll come over here, file, and click on export as. So the export as panel comes up. I'll set this on PNG, okay, and make sure the transparency is checked. Please take note that I turned off this other layer, turn off the other layer. And after I'm done with that, click on the export button, and you can choose to give this a name, signature. Okay, so after you're done, you can choose to click on the save button. Okay, so guys, your signature is ready for use for any purpose. So ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of today's tutorial video. If you find this video helpful, do well to give this video a like, do well to smash the subscribe button if you are new to the channel, turn on the post notification bell to get notification whenever I upload new content, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching.